Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for taking time to listen. This video is made with respect, responsibility and concern. It is not created to insult any artist, lyricist, composer and a filmmaker. It is also not intended to spread negativity around the movie Bihu Attack. This video is meant to express the cultural concern calmly, clearly and honestly. When a cinema represents culture, especially on a national platform, it carries a duty of accuracy and sensitivity. That responsibility becomes even more important when indigenous and tribal cultures are involved. Bihu Attack is an ambitious project. It attempts to bring Assamese culture, festival and emotion to a wider Indian audience. This effort is appreciated. Assam's story deserves visibility, and cinema is a powerful medium to achieve that. However, cultural representation must be done with understanding, not just intention. The concern that I raise in this video is specifically about the song, the Karbi Bihu Song, which is traditionally Karbi cultural song with its own rhyme, structure and its historical meaning. In the movie or in the song, the Hacha Kekan song has been mixed up with Bihu dhol and Bihu style chorus. These combinations create a cultural mismatch. Why this is a problem, I'll explain you. Karbi culture and Assamese culture are different. Each has its own musical system, its own instrument, its own ceremonial context, its own identity. Hacha Kekan mixed with Bihu dhol without explanation or separation is misrepresentation. Once a cultural image is present on a screen, it becomes a reference point for the future, especially for the viewers who have no prior knowledge of regional culture. If the reference is incorrect, the misunderstanding continues long after the film is over. This is why tribal and indigenous culture must be handled with extra care. Unity in diversity is a powerful concept, but unity doesn't mean blending identities into one. The true representations would have shown Karbi culture in its original musical form, shown Bihu in its own space, or clearly explain the transitions between the two. This will have strengthened the film, not weakened it. This is a message to the lyricist and to the composer. To the lyricist and the composer of this song, this message offered with respect. You hold the power to shape how culture are seen and understood. When using Hacha Kekan, it is important to recognize that it is not just a melody, it is a heritage. Combining it with unrelated musical element without cultural grounding unintentionally diminishes its own authenticity. This is not a question of artistic freedom alone. It is a question of cultural responsibility. This video is not a rejection of Bihu Attack. It is call for sensitivity and accuracy. We want Assamese cinema to grow. We want Karbi culture to be represented. But we want representations to be correct, respectful and informed. Dialogue is necessary for cultural preservation. Silence leads to repetitions of mistake. Thank you for listening with an open mind.